It is the second day of the 2 days program, and the today's program is the reference management using Mendeley. Today's second day. I'm Anwarul Islam, Secretary General of the Library Association of Bangladesh, inviting you to this webinar, today's second day's webinar. Good morning to all. So good evening to all. Actually, I will not, actually, I will not give the detailed description in today's program. Today's our resource person is Chandrasekhar Mittal Machana. He is the University Librarian of Auro University, Surat, Gujarat. And our moderator is Professor Dr. Dr. Mustafizur Rahman is Associate Professor of the Department of Information Library Management and Information Science, the Royal University of Dhaka, Bangladesh. And the last day, I gave you some description about our research person and our moderator also. So today I will not discuss a lot. Yesterday I got the 129 registered participants, and we sent them the video, and among them I saw that only 76 participants who checked the videos from the YouTube. And today's program, at the time of our program, I will provide you the feedback form, and according to the feedback form, you will get the certificate from the Library Association of Bangladesh and Mendeley also. So you have to be careful and write down your email ID carefully and your name carefully. And at the end of the program, we'll provide you a self-test quiz, 15 quiz only the MCQ system. So it is very easy, and you will get answer from at the time of your submission. And nothing would be written about your name and email ID. So don't worry about that. You are doing wrong or good. So I hope that first we'll provide you the feedback form. Please fill it up, and several times we'll provide you the feedback form, and at the last time we'll provide you the quiz, or at the mid time we can provide the quiz. So I'm going to hand over my question to our moderator, Dr. Muhammad Mustafizur Rahman, and I will be with you, and I will help you. So Dr. Mustafizur Rahman.
Thank you very much, Dr. Muhammad Anwarul Islam, for giving me the floor today. Welcome to all participants today. This is our second day's programs on research management using Mendeley. Last day, we learned a lot from our research persons, Chandrasekhar Mittal Machana. He taught us actually how to create Mendeley accounts, and also he has shown us how the Mendeley work and how we can work with the Mendeley. Today, he will show us how to practice Mendeley, and according to his advice, I think all participants have created their account, Mendeley account, and also installs Mendeley desktop today. And when our research persons will show the functions of Mendeley, and that times we all participants will go with him, and these practice sessions, I think, will give us clear idea about Mendeley, how to use and how to implicate the various functions of the Mendeley in our research papers. So I would like to invite our resource person, Mr. Vitals, to present his practical sessions today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Muhammad Mustafizur Rahman, for handing over the session to me. And good evening, everybody. I hope everything all is well with you. So we'll begin today. If moderator sir permit me, my session, I want to divide my session into two parts. One, I just want to have some questions from the audience based on my yesterday's presentation. So they might have faced some problems or technical issues, anything. So that first I'll take the questions, then I'll start the practical session. Is that okay with you, sir?
Yes, okay, no problem, sir.
So I invite the questions from the audience. Is there any problem faced by them while downloading the Mendeley or something like that? So any doubts based on my yesterday's presentation? So questions are welcome first. Any questions, any problem in downloading Mendeley?
I have a question.
Yes, yes.
When I download in my desktop, it's properly downloaded, but it can't open.
Which one?
Open. It can open.
Okay. Fatima, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
From university in PTSU or any?
No, she is Sheribangla Agriculture
Sheribangla
University.
Agriculture University.
She is somewhere else in the university, or this is a university she belongs to?
I'm university student. Master's completed.
So we'll see that. What is exactly your question? I can't understand that.
In my desktop, I can properly download this app, but it can't open. It seems black background. Can't see anything.
Okay. What kind of operating system you are using? Maybe Internet Explorer?
Windows 7, Google Chrome, Internet browser.
There should not be any problem with that. We'll see next practical session. We'll see.
2-3 times I can download it and install, but the same thing happened here.
Okay, let's see that. Any other questions?
One question is that, sir, without creating account, I have downloaded the Mendeley desktop version. Okay. Is it okay? Is it okay?
But how will you enter into that without signing?
That is the problem.
Because first you have to open the Mendeley web version, then you have to create this your profile, sign in credentials. Then you can officially use the Mendeley desktop, so that you can share with the Mendeley desktop with the Mendeley web version also by using the sync operation. So it's better to create a profile with sign-in credentials. We'll see that. We'll see that.
Another question is that I face problem problem with Mendeley web account. I do not find dashboard and so on.
I said, in the beginning of last session that from 7th September onwards, there has been changes, lot changes has appeared in the Mendeley, but they have not officially declared it. So that could be the problem. We'll see that if somebody download right now, then we'll see that. That's in a practical session. Is it happening to everybody or any specific person? That we'll see.
Dr. Vital.
Yeah.
No. This Sudarshan Rao.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, sir. I could open this version 1.19.4 Windows 13 executive file of Mendeley,
okay,
desktop version, and set up wizard. From there, the register free access was there. Then connect with the Scopus. Afterwards, I had a problem in searching for some literature search or searching some papers. But I could really add some papers of my own there, and I could really see my profile. Okay. I think searching the the actual database to find other resources, slight constraint was there for me. And but no, I could see my profile. I could really update my profile, add some of the papers. That's what I was able to do it. Having heard you yesterday, I think I made a little exercise this afternoon. I could do little, but problem was in searching and then adding the resources to my own library or the something like that.
Okay, I hope
That's the problem. That's the problem. That's the problem. I think.
I hope that during this session, I could able to answer your questions also. And it's very excellent questions coming from the audience.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So another question from Muhammad Reza Rafat. Sir, I have inserted a book and a chapter of book in book, but the Mendeley does not show the citation and bibliography. What do you, is Mendeley working properly with books also?
Yeah, book also you can enter, but I don't know, he manually entered or he exported from some other source to the Mendeley. That I have to clarify from him.
Another thing I can supplement you. Actually, some file contains their metadata with the files. If the file does not have the metadata, and then I have to change the metadata in the file. I think so. Am I right or wrong, sir?
Correct.
Yes. Metadata is important to put in your PDF file. Another question is that, is it necessary to insert our research papers into the site or using the software?
No, that depends on the occasion, because if you are a research scholar and you want to collaborate with other people, then you can do that without creating any group. I mean, I suggest everybody to upload your documents into the Mendeley without sharing with the group, so that it can be as some separate library for you, and whenever you want in the future, you can refer to that.
Okay, I think that no more question in my hand now.
Okay. So I'll share my screen now. Then we'll step by step we'll go. Can you? I'm disabled for screen sharing, sir. Can you help us?
Yeah, please share the screen only. Click on the share screen. Share screen. You're permitted to share.
Now it's coming that host disabled participants.
No. Actually, it is given to you. I'm checking again. One participant can share at a time. Only host. You are host, so you can.
It's not permitting me and allowing me.
Okay. Now you are allowed. Okay. Sorry. Now you are allowed. Yes. Yeah. Earlier I allowed and this. Okay.
So you got my screen there. Somebody say.
Okay, we can see, but Mr. Vital, if it is possible to show the screen from your desktop where the people will see the live things, is it possible?
That I'm going to do that. But before that,
okay, no problem.
Show this slide that everyone has. I should confirm that everyone has followed this one.
Okay.
So you must have downloaded the Mendeley.com.
Sorry, sir. One question has come suddenly. He cannot insert the PubMed in their Mendeley. Actually, PubMed he could not insert his library and Oxford books also he could not add in the library.
I'll help you that while I'm doing the live demonstration on the screen.
Okay.
Right now I'm on the slide. So let me talk to the people that I should confirm that they have completed the downloaded part.
Okay, sir.
Into this creating account. Okay, because I already downloaded, so that everybody should download this Mendeley desktop. Simple process. Again, try. Somebody said there was a technical issue. Right now you can do that. And this is the first exercise we are talking about, and the next second exercise would be the actual practical session. So I'm sharing a screen, other screen now. Let me go to the my. give me a couple of minutes. Is my screen is visible there?
No, not now.
No, sir.
My screen is disconnected or something else? Can you check, Dr. Anwarul?
I think that can be. Hello, Opu. Is it visible?
Sir.
No.
No, not visible. I'm not co-host. I can't control it.
You are co-host. I have given permission to you.
Actually, I left for a while. That's why I have to rejoin.
Sir, Vital sir, you have the permission as co-host and your screen sharing is enabled.
But my screen is not appearing here.
Actually, what happened? The previous, I think the screen will come.
Sir, one solution there. Vital sir can rejoin.
Sorry, sorry, can rejoin again.
Okay, I'll rejoin again. Can you see this screen now?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, now we can see. Yes.
Simple process is after downloading the Mendeley desktop, the icon will be appeared on your desktop screen. So what I did is I clicked the Mendeley desktop icon after creating my account. Okay. This is my Mendeley desktop screen.
Yeah.
Are you getting this similar kind of a screen? Just confirm somebody that have you downloaded the Mendeley desktop?
Yes, some of them, some of the participants confirmed.
Yes. They told the yes.
Can you say somebody from the audience that the screen appeared on the my screen is similar to your screen? See, there is options like add option, sync operation, similar.
Yes, it is similar to you. Yes.
Okay. So what I am doing is the old citations appeared in my screen. I am deleting so that we will start fresh. Now there is no citations in my desktop. Now it's a fresh screen. So what we do first step, I already told you that we first exercise is literature search. There is the option like literature search here. Can you see that left hand side top literature search option is there? So what I'm going to do is first listen to me, then you try it. I'm clicking literature search here. And now I'm putting my keyword here. Now the Mendeley is going to fetch the documents from the Google Scholar partly from sitesciencedirect.com, partly which are freely available to everybody. Those items only, because of the copyright restrictions, Mendeley will fetch only documents which are available freely on the website, internet. So now in a literature search bar, I am typing my keyword like plasma, SMA therapy. Your spelling is correct. I put my keyword as a plasma therapy.
Last word
The
PY.
therapy is PY, not PHY. Just PY. PY.
It's correct.
Thank you for correct. Thank you, sir. Now I'm searching by entering that. See, these many results automatically appear on your screen. It should be appear on your screen also. Don't go by my keyword. Do whatever keyword comfortable to you. But technicality, first listen to me and look at my screen. Then you practice for after 5 minutes. Now, among these citations appeared in the screen, so I got hyperbaric oxygen therapy is interesting for me. What I am doing yesterday, I explained that there is a gray dot was there opposite to the each citation. When I click that one here, it automatically transferred into the check symbol. That means that particular citation added to my library, first citation. Whether it is added to my library or not, we'll check next also. So first let me add my relevant citations to the library. So this one interesting to me. Then use of convalescent plasma therapy in SARS patients in Hong Kong. That is interesting to me. Then I click here. 2. Okay. 2 citations are interesting to me that I want to refer into my research theory or dissertation thesis, PhD thesis, whatever, research project. So let me check my library then. Go to the my library here, look at the all documents. See, already added. I did nothing, simple one click. This is the first exercise we've done that, and please do this, repeat your on desktop using any different keyword. I'll give you 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, somebody come with a question or a technical issues arises, just let me know. 5 minutes for you to do this practice with your keywords, not exactly my keyword, right?
That means first they go to the literature charts, then select the keywords,
Yes.
and
Have you completed your practice and first exercise? Are you seeing my screen, desktop screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you now go to the Mendeley.com and sign in to the Mendeley web version? You want to share that also?
Okay, sir.
Just go to the Mendeley.com web version, sign in with your credentials, so that in that you should be sign in as a particular person. So now whatever you selected in the desktop version, suppose I selected 2, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, use of some convalescent plasma therapy in SARS. These 2 also should be again there is issue in that am I visible now? No. Hello. Somebody say yes or
Sir,
no.
you are visible, sir.
Yes, sir, you are visible.
So my screen, desktop screen is shared with you, and I want to now stop this screen. I just want to show that a Mendeley web version.
Okay, sir.
Now I am going to share the. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, when you enter into the Mendeley web version, there could be a chance that you might not get these documents in your Mendeley web version. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
It's appear or not? Are you getting the citations you selected in the desktop is visible in the Mendeley web version? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Yes, it is
Oh,
visible.
yes.
Yes, it is visible.
How did you do that? Can you explain? Let me tell you. If suppose in case any technical issue appear that your whatever citations you selected in the Mendeley is not appearing in the Mendeley web version. Yesterday I said the trick is that you click the sync option in the Mendeley desktop, so then automatically all the selected citations in the desktop will be appear in the Mendeley web also. See, I selected 2, it appeared in the Mendeley web version also. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy. So the second exercise is literature search. Type your keywords in the search box, then press the enter key. And from the search results, select 5 articles of your interest and save to your library. Have you completed this one?
Huh?
Yes or no? Any issue? Please let me know. Is there any issue? Please let me know. Don't keep your doubts yourself. Clarify with me. I am assuming that we have completed the exercise 2. Simple exercise. Can somebody can convey the problems of the audience? There is any issue?
Please.
Pardon, sir?
No, I think it is clear.
Okay. So we'll move to the exercise 3. Log in into your Mendeley web account, then click the papers. Papers tab may not be appear, that depends on the new feature and the Mendeley. Now I'm going to that place, the Mendeley web version. This page is available now with you on the screen.
Mr. Vital, I think it is not possible to them because they are using Zoom. In that case, both at the same time they cannot run both the two programs. So better you discuss it and show it, and later then they will practice. And if they feel any problem, then they will mail us.
Okay. My full screen is not available for me because of this one. Everybody has opened a Mendeley web account, then search for the paper. Do you have getting the papers tab in the upstairs upper part of the screen, or it's the window has changed because of the September 77 changes according to that Mendeley? Can you somebody confirm that? Do you getting the papers tab at the top of the screen?
Yes, I got it.
Because some features not appeared because of the changes in the Mendeley on September 7 September. This could be officially announced in maybe in a week or so. They'll announce on the website. So don't worry about that. The basic commonality theory will be the same. So in the Mendeley web account also, you can search for the papers, and searching any article adding to that is so similar to the desktop also. When you add any article to the Mendeley web also, that can be reflected in the Mendeley desktop by after clicking the sync option. So sync option works either way. When you add something in Mendeley desktop, click the sync option, then it will appear in the Mendeley web option also, web version also. If you add something else in the web version also, just click the sync option, then all will appear in the desktop version also. It works both ways. The sync option is very important in order to get the updated library. So I'm going to the fourth exercise. Again, I'm going to the Mendeley desktop. I'll screen the screen. I think I should. Now, what was the exercise 4 says that in Mendeley desktop, click a file, add entry manually. Somebody asked about the book. Somebody, at the starting of the session, somebody asked about regarding the issue facing by him adding the book. So can you do that now? Add entry manually. So I'm doing that. The add option at the top of the screen. So I'm adding the file. Okay. In a file place, you can also add an ebook is there, then you can add the ebook, right? Can the person ask me the question about the adding book? should do simultaneously with me. I'm adding the article. You can add as a book. So I'm adding that sociology, South Asian techno spaces. See, it appeared there. If you know the article from which source the article is fetched, you can enter. If it is not, because the details are not complete here, the Mendeley automatically detected that one and asking you to enter manually all the bibliographical details of that particular citation. So journal title is missing, so that I can add something else, blah, 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 XXX. So you have a PDF full file also available. If you want to add author title is correct, just check with the cross check with the original citation. The details are correct or not. If it is correct, then click somewhere. Some option is not appear for me because of the window. So you can say that the details are correct, something like that. Mendeley will prompt you to answer that question. When you click that one, automatically your library is updated with the corrections also. Let me see it is added into my web version or not. Then again, what we have to do? We have to do that sync option. I'm doing the sync option here. By using the sync option, the same citation will appear in Mendeley web version also. So this way you can do that, add manually, simple process, select the whatever the file on your desktop, article you want to add into that, or any ebook you want to add into that, you can do, just simple click MS Office functions, select the file and add manually. The Mendeley automatically detect if there is any lack of bibliographical details. Mendeley will ask you to complete the details. This way we can do that also. Simple process. Now regarding, I'm coming to the watch folder, how the watch folder will work. Are you looking at my screen? It's appeared there, Mendeley desktop. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Here. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
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 Then you can add files. We have completed add folder, also very simple process. Now, what is the uniqueness of the watch folder? We are going to see that. The technical issue in my the
What is the function of this was folder?
instead of see what till now what we are doing is that we are using the sync option in order to get the citations appear in both versions, web version, desktop version. But adding the file to the watch folder, you need not to press any sync option, automatically it reflect in the your library. That's what I'm trying to do. This is technical problems for me. One second, sir. Can you do, because there is technical problem my side. Can you open the watch folder? Open the watch folder. Try to add the files into that watch folder. I have some issue with my desktop version, Word version.
It's working, sir.
Working?
Yes, it's working, sir.
Okay. So there is a technical issue in my desktop issue because I'm using the old version. So with that, we are finished the fourth exercise. So we finished the fourth exercise. We have some on live demonstration also there, but let me finish this practical session first. For install web importer. Now we are going to install the web importer before going for the online databases import. Right now, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Go to the tools option.
Yes. Okay, then.
Click the install web importer.
Okay.
Install web importer. By installing this, automatically the Mendeley will customize your MS Word also, and also it enable you to import the online citations from online databases to your Mendeley library. So I'm not using the Internet Explorer because my Chrome has already installed the web importer. Let me show the screen also.
Mr. Resource person, I have a question.
Yes,
So
sir.
when we'll import the file, so whole file will be imported to my desktops, or only citation will be imported?
File from where, sir?
If we imported any file or any books, so in that
Okay.
case, only citations will be imported, or the full articles or books will be imported?
If there is a PDF file, the PDF file
Whole
loaded,
file
sir.
will be imported, okay?
Okay. If article is imported, then it should be if PDF file is available, then PDF icon will be appear in front of that article citation.
Okay. Articles with
Like
citation.
this, I'll see. For this article, there is a PDF citation, is a PDF file is available.
Yeah,
Yes.
with
And
citation. Okay.
importing this, importing this to the your dissertation thesis area, citation style, that I'm going to come to the next part. I'm just explaining for you now how to install the web importer. What is the use of the web importer? So
Okay.
web importer will you the article, you can use the article from the online databases to your desktop library. So how we'll do that in a practical session also in the next coming few minutes. So now we have already installed the web importer in the Mendeley desktop. Now we are going to actual online database. We can understand what is the use of the web importer. Can you open somebody says?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Dr. Beetle, I think. Beetle?
Yeah.
Yeah, just
Yes,
I
sir.
want to know that.
Go
Excuse
ahead,
me.
sir.
Okay.
The voice is breaking, sir.
My voice is breaking.
Yeah, it's clear now.
Cycle here.
Yes.
Please tell now.
Please go ahead.
Your voice is clear now.
Okay. Sir, Dr. Beetle, so thanks for your presentation. I want to know that is it possible if I want to add the whole folder at a time, is it possible? Like in folder, I have 5 papers. So can I do it at a time?
So just a small, let me understand. You want to add the article or what you are talking about? Just
No. In folder, I have, for example, I have folder like a global change. I made a folder in here, for example, 10 papers I have. So can I add together with by name of the folder in here? Same folder name?
He want to add a folder, not a file. Okay. He want to add a folder, not file.
The option add, can you see this cursor? My cursor is at the add option. See, this is the add folder.
Add a folder, okay. See, Mr. Saiful Bhuiyan, there is option, add folder, okay.
Then
So
you
from
can
there you
directly
can add
lift your folder from your desktop to your Mendeley library. Simple. Suppose you want to add this one or this one or this one, as per your need. Add folder, automatically the computer will direct you to your laptop where the folder lies. Then you can lift the folder directly to that.
Are you clear? Mr. Saiful, you are clear? Okay. Okay, sir, Vital. Go on.
Yeah. So now we are going to do an online database, how the Mendeley, the web importer useful for us. So let me open, can I open this one? For a few seconds, I'm stop sharing the site. Now I'm going to the direct.com. Can you see my screen here?
Yes, it's clear. Science Direct.
Just a few seconds.
Yes.
Let me have some water. What I did is I opened the sciencedirect.com because the company belongs to the Mendeley Elsevier Science. ScienceDirect.com is a very expensive database and it's paid subscription, not free. But we'll do some exercises how the web importer will be useful to import the articles from sciencedirect.com to your library. Okay. Now I am going to search for the plasma therapy here again. Yeah, COVID-19. I'm searching for the COVID-19 in the sciencedirect.com. Click. So you got these many results here.
Yeah, 21,987 results we got.
Okay. Now I'm interested into the self-reported loss of smell. This is interesting to me. I just click the check mark here.
Just select that. Okay. Just select the article, no? Okay.
Article. Now I'm going to predictive factors for the new positive nasopharyngeal swab. So this is also interesting to me. 2 articles. Okay. I just want to tell before exporting these articles to Mendeley library, see, after installing the web importer, you should get this kind of icon at the bar, top of the bar. Here, because look at my cursor.
Red mark, no? Mendeley.
Red one.
Yeah, okay.
After installing the web importer, you must get that icon there. So, after selecting 2 articles of relevance, I am clicking this one web importer here. Let me finish this one.
Right top corner, okay.
Okay, I am clicking this one. So you will appear another small window inside the window, which reflect all the article in the window. Now you need to select here again, or directly you can select from here also. What I selected is
Mr. Resource person. Already we have selected 2 articles. Already we have selected 2 articles, okay, from the Science Direct. And again, we are going to Mendeley, no? Web importer. Web importer. There are 25 articles also. So these 2 articles is included in with this 25 article.
Yeah. The first page, whichever displayed on the main window, all are again will appear in the small window also.
Oh, okay.
You can do it directly also without opening the main window. You can directly go to this also.
That means so, now we are importing these 2 articles from Science Direct to our Mendeley website importer.
Yes,
okay.
Sir. Yes. Your window is coming obstructing my thing. Okay. Suppose I have interested in the COVID-19 here, patients with the rheumatic. Suppose one example, for example, forget the first one. And clinical characteristics, two articles which are interesting to me. Then what I did is, after selecting the 2 articles, simply you can click the add button here. Now whether these 2 articles after
just click on add button, okay?
Yeah. Add button, and just to confirm that whether these 2 articles selected by me is added to Mendeley library or not, just go to the Mendeley web or desktop. Suppose I'm going to the Mendeley web. Okay.
Sir, sorry to interruption. If I have multiple collections, I can also choose my collection here.
Oh yes. Suppose you want to add 25 articles also, you can add, or 35 articles you can add also. Because for example, I'm selecting only.
I want to point out that suppose I have a separate collection that is called COVID-19. So I want to add that collection to COVID-19 folder. in spite of my library.
Oh yes, you can do that. This is your personal articles available on your desktop. The articles
In
you are
that case,
talking about.
Yeah,
Mr. Nurullah,
desktop or whatever.
Mr.
Suppose my library may have multiple collections.
You have multiple connection of databases.
That means I can organize my collections in separate folders. So
You
before
can do that.
importing articles to my library, I can select the collection also.
You can do that, sir. But right now we are focusing on the how to import the documents from online databases to the Mendeley library. So this is the actual confinement of subject. Like right now we are focused on the online database like sciencedirect.com. It's not available. It's not showing here. Somewhere here it should show that. Now I am pressing the sync option. Let me see it's appearing that. It's not coming. Let me check the desktop sync option.
Sarvital. So every time for importing and exporting the documents, we have to check the synchronize, okay? Sync option, okay?
It should come somehow. There was a technical issue because of my old version. Let me check once again. So we are into the sciencedirect.com, okay? Or else we can do this way. Also, let me check this. Suppose if I select all instead of two, let me check that also option. There is one more option here, view library. After adding the citations by clicking the add button, you can also check in this view library also, or directly to the web version also. Let me check it's added or not. No, it's not showing. Give me a minute. Yes, sir.
Yes, all 7 articles added here, yeah.
Yeah, what I did is that you can select the articles by clicking the web importer after opening the online database. Then select all also there, select individual also there. And if it is PDF is available, you can also add the PDF file directly from here. You can check Mendeley web library directly from here also. There is an option view library, so that you can see whether all the citations are added or not. If I check my Mendeley, so everything is added here without entering any typing or something like that. It's a one-click option. Let's do one more. Let me cancel this one. Once again, we are going to do this one in order to clarify all our doubts by adding individual things. You can do simultaneously, you can do your practice also. I'm just clearing my all issues like this. I don't know, there is no option of all documents.
Looks to be down these, there is an empty, some box is there. Can we use in order to clear all the references? Dr.
Which one, sir?
Vitalji, down these references, there is a box called empty something is, no?
I can't see on my screen, sir. That is why
delete is also there, export is also there.
There should be something like that.
Yeah, can we use it and get all these are deleted?
Yeah, you can use this. You can use that one also.
Yeah.
Because I have only one option, delete option.
Right.
I'm not getting that option. I was searching for that. Now I cleared everything in my Mendeley web library. Now again I'm going to the sciencedirect.com. It's clear this one. Now 2 already selected. Incidence of co-infection. Also I'm selecting one more. Four articles are selected. I'm clicking this one, or let me see directly it goes to the Mendeley or not. No, it's not. I need to select here. It's not coming here. It's not this one. Can I check with another database so that somebody asked me to the public PubMed? Let me check there.
From the right of corner, this plus sign, no?
I'm stop sharing the Elsevier one. I'm sharing the different one. Let me check with this also, it's working or not, so that I can inform the Mendeley people also. Somebody asked about the PubMed. There is an issue with the PubMed. Some audience asked me in the beginning of the session. Okay. I'm searching for the again COVID-19 or COVID-19. This is also paid subscription, so you only get only free articles which is available on the internet. So you can't download the PDF files, just add the citations only. Suppose I have a interesting citation is COVID-19 novel interest. That's my interest. Let me check with this. My internet is a bit slow. First one, second one is interesting to me. Then let me add whether it works or not to two articles. Okay, it's working. In PubMed, what I did is just put any keyword in the search bar, like I put the COVID-19. It's online database, paid subscription. You can access PDF files only your institution as the subscription. So now I'm just selecting the citations. If there is a PDF file is available in the internet freely, then you can download that also. So I selected two articles, first and second, and try to see that whether it's added to the Mendeley web or not. Just click check button here, two places. Are you looking at my screen?
Yes.
PubMed?
Yes.
First two articles I selected because of my interest. Then I click the add button. After that, I click the view library in the bottom of the screen, small screen. When I click, my library will be shown that these particular articles are added. So this way you can import online database citations to your Mendeley library. Desktop is for the managing the research papers offline mode. This Mendeley web version is online mode. So with this, like this, you can add import from citations from any database like EBSCO, ProQuest, and PubMed, whichever database you use, any Hein Online, something like that. So you can, that is the use of the web importer. Web importer allows you to lift the articles, citations from the online databases to your web version. So this way you can build up your library for your research work. So am I clear on this or not?
Yes, it's clear.
Somebody can say something?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
It's clear.
You want me to repeat once again this one?
No need.
No need.
Yeah.
So somebody asked some questions like adding folders. That is different question. That I'll address that question later. Now I'm going to the next exercise. Like, so install the web importer. We done. Go to the sciencedirectory.com, searching for the articles. We have completed that. And the importance of the sync button also we know that. Okay. Now I'm going to the another exercise like now install the MS Word plugin. That is an important feature that you need to install. How to install that? Let me share my Windows screen like this one. Can you see my desktop screen? Mendeley desktop screen now?
Yes, yes, we can see.
Yes. Now you go to the tools option at the top. Click that one. There is a option like install MS Word plugin. Because I already installed, so that's an option is showing the uninstall MS Word plugin. So the first timers, they should be install MS Word plugin. So clicking MS Word plugin make your MS Word more flexible, compatible with the Mendeley, with some features of the Mendeley will be incorporated in the MS Word. So what is the use of that one? So that I'll let you know that in the next practice. First, let me please open any MS Word file. Any blank MS Word file, blank MS Word file. I'm going to share the screen of that also. This is a blank MS Word, blank in the sense, in my times it's blank, but for the researcher, you already completed your research work here. Like you have something research work done here and there is something write-up is there here. And the first para, you have a classic definition of the COVID virus diagnosis, something like that. So somebody has given a classic definition and you are referring that citation in your research work. So this is the definition. Are you getting my MS Word window? No.
No.
No, let me share that one, okay?
No, sir.
Okay, let me share a window version. This is my MS Word file. I opened that, and this is your research work. Something I'm sorry for putting a funny symbols there. So here is the place you want to give a credit to the original author, right? Take cursor this place and go upside. Press insert.
Okay.
References.
Okay.
Click references. Okay. Now you have an option because of your plugins are installed. You have option like insert citation.
Okay.
Right, sir?
Okay, sir. Okay.
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 So I'm pressing insert citations to give particular author as a credit.
Okay.
Give credit. So when I press the insert citation, a small window will open like telling you that search by author, title, my library, whatever, but you just ignore that one. Just press the go to Mendeley library because you have already libraries there. Go to Mendeley library. So it goes to the My Mendeley desktop library. So I just want to give a credit to this one. You may have a lot many citations on the screen, but I have only right now, I have only one citation. So I'm giving that, for example, I'm showing that citations. So after highlighting this one, click cite button here at the top. Okay. Have you seen the cite button?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Mendeley desktop.
Mendeley is not showing, sir.
Desktop.
Just we see your Word file.
See, there is an ad. See, are you looking at my screen? Which one do you MS Word file you are seeing?
Your Word file is showing.
Look at your Mendeley desktop version. Mendeley desktop version. Open your Mendeley desktop version. Automatically, MS Word direct you to go to Mendeley. So after going to Mendeley desktop, you might have having the file, edit, view, tools, L. Are you having these options on your screen?
Sir, we are not getting you. First, we open the Word file, okay?
Word
then
file here.
yeah, then we click on the insert option. Okay. Then
Yes,
we click on reference. Okay. Then click on insert citation. Okay. After that, what
After
do we do?
inserting citation, the small window will appear asking you to go to Mendeley. So I'm clicking go to Mendeley.
We are not actually getting it, sir.
This one, are you getting this window?
No, no, sir. We are not getting your
Then
new
there is a problem
desktop windows.
installing your Please install MS plugin. Please listen to me. Please install MS plugins first. Don't open MS Word. First, go to desktop, Mendeley desktop. Go to Mendeley desktop.
No, we are not getting your Mendeley desktop here on the screen.
Why?
I think we understand.
Now I'm again opening my desktop. This one, I'm sharing that one. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, it's working. It need.
You can see the desktop.
It's working.
Desktop is
It's need to. Yes, yes. It need to.
1 second, sir. My screen is visible now. Mendeley desktop screen.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you press that go to Mendeley in the MS Word file, wherever you want to insert the citation, automatically you will be directed to the Mendeley desktop where you have a like 1 second. Insert citation. Go to Mendeley. Now I am into desktop version. So you have an option like cite at the top.
Yeah, yeah.
Add folders, related, sync, cite, cancel. Select the citation you want to cite. Press the cite button here. So automatically the citation will come here. Look at that. MS Word file.
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing the MS Word file also now. Let me share this one, MS Word screen, so that you can see. See, after the definition, you given some credit to the Pang et al.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, insert the citation. Okay.
Not in a hurry. Please do patiently and understand the technicality. It's very simple, as sir was repeating there. You go to your thesis paper, wherever you want to insert the citation, place the cursor over there, and then go to the insert citation option at the bottom, at the top. When you insert, when you click the insert citation box, the computer will prompt you to, a small window will appear there, and it will prompt you to go to Mendeley option. Then automatically the computer will direct you to the Mendeley desktop version where you can have your citations, which citation you want to refer. So you can select as per your knowledge, and then press the cite button. Automatically the particular author will be appear in your thesis work wherever it's desired to be placed. So am I clear on that, sir?
Yes, yes, it is clear. And I have a question, sir. Actually, there is some styles, reference style, American Cycle APA and MLA. Some.
Yes, sir. I'm coming here. Thank you very much for reminding me. So in this MS Word, because of your MS plugin, so many features have been added to the MS Word. Like Sarah was asking about the style. Look at this style option here. Are you looking at my screen?
Yes.
MS Word screen?
Yes. Yes.
When I click here, you will get the different options.
This is the
You
citation
can select
style.
as
Okay.
per your MLA style is also there, APA style is also there, Chicago manual also there. There are IEEE also there. There's Harvard also there. Yesterday somebody was asking about the Royal Society of Chemistry. I can't find in this old version. They might be added in the new version. I have to check that one. You can also check whenever you download the new version. So if I select the APA, the citations, the bibliography will be arranged according to the APA style. Now bibliography, how to insert the bibliography? So you all know the bibliography will appear at the end of your thesis work or research paper or research project work. Am I correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, now how to insert the bibliography? Because I have one citation, so I'm practicing on one that one. So just go to this option like insert bibliography. At the top of the MS Word file, you have an option like insert bibliography. Okay?
Okay.
And you place the cursor at the end of the thesis, research paper. So I'm pressing the insert button. Because I have only one. So this is the
Okay. Nice. Citation is appearing here. Citation is appearing. Okay.
1,000 articles also, it will be a
Yeah.
one click. It will appear on your screen.
So
without
all
any
cited. That
type.
means all
Very
cited.
interesting. Very interesting.
Interesting. Very interesting. All cited documents will be appear in the end of the thesis paper. Okay.
Yeah. And you can also change the style also from APA to I want to change into the MLA style also you can change. The computer will take care of all these things also. Before inserting the style, inserting the citation, bibliography, you can select whatever style you want to have. Then you can insert the bibliography. The bibliography will be arranged according to your preference style selected by you. So this way the inserting bibliography is a very simple one-click way, one-click method. So you need not to worry about the typing mistakes or spelling mistakes, types. So this way you can standardize your thesis as per our international standards. So I'm clear.
There is some question here.
Yes, sir.
Please. Question.
Yes, sir. Sir, in some references, we can see the page, the number of pages. But here, how can we, for example, consider the page also? For example, in this reference, we have very general. It is not considered the page of the books or the page of the journals that we have taken the citation. How can we add the page, for example?
The page is also there, 623 page number.
Page is also here.
623.
This is page.
This is arranged according to APA style, American Psychological Association style. So the style will be maybe some people, some style will put the authors first. Yeah, year of publication next, whatever. So the page number also there. Page number is also your DOI information also available according to APA style. Suppose I delete this one. Okay, I'm going to next one. Now I'm selected any style, whatever style, let me style MLA style. Again, I'm doing the same practice. Let me see it works or not. Okay. So this is MLA style, and both are looking similar. So it's selecting the same thing.
If you select Harvard, it will be a bit different.
Okay, let me check that one.
Harvard, yeah. Select Harvard.
Sir, question is that, for example, we have written something else, no? We have written something, something doesn't have meaning. So this reference shows the page. How can this reference show that our writing is in the certain page?
So, sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
For example, we have written, for example, ka ay. Then we had entered the citation, and then we added the reference. So this reference shows the page of that, for example, our writing, that is ka. So it is logic that these references belong to that writing, our writing.
Actually,
it depends on the which different style you want. You want to add something,
No,
sir?
I think it's I couldn't clear. For example, we had written for the first time. We had written something ka ay like this, and now we want.
Go ahead, sir.
I think, may I help in this regard?
Please.
Sure, sir. Go ahead.
Please.
Yeah. So in that case, just I want to help you, Mr. Raja. I don't know who are you, but I want to say that whenever you insert the paper, like for example, one paper, like he include the
Not one paper, one citation, not one paper.
One paper.
citation.
No. Let me explain. First, paper. Whenever you insert the paper, that time you need to correct on the right side. There is a portion over there. It will come like journal name, page number, volume number, site year, authors. Over there you need to select that where is the page number. Then it will come in here. Did you get my point? Just whenever you entered from first, whenever you insert, not in here, just whenever you insert in Mendeley, that time you need to correct the things, page number, like in here 663, so it may be 668. So you need to insert over there, not in here. You cannot do this in here. You have to do the first.
Yeah. Now I got it.
And one more thing, sir, I would like to add. Like insert bibliography means it will not give you page numbers.
No,
bibliography means
never.
in the last sections we don't need page numbers. It can be in the running text references we can give page numbers. Otherwise, in bibliography we don't see page numbers.
Yeah, we can see page numbers in reference, no? In the EndNote, for example.
Like in here, in this reference, like 623. So the APA format, format, it will not be changed, but it will be changed once you when you insert the page.
On that time that we could, yeah.
Yes, that time you need.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Otherwise, you cannot do anything in here.
Thank you.
Whatever you insert over there, it will appear in here.
Yeah. Now it's clear.
Okay. Thank you very much, Doctor.
Thank you very much.
Vital, Doctor resource person. Can I ask you some question?
Yes, sure, sir.
Yes, just one thing I want to know that, for example, through Mendeley, I inserted in here, for example, Peng et al. 2020, but some paper I inserted through my system. Like, for example, in here, I inserted Bax et al. Something. I did not follow the Mendeley, but I inserted by manually. So is there any system that can I make it uniformity? Is it possible?
The best way is whatever citations you have in your computer, you can transfer them to the Mendeley library.
So I need to transfer the first, then I need to follow the system, isn't it?
All one-click process. All one-click process, nothing else. You have citations on your laptop, right? Now you
Yes.
have options like add file. You have an option like add file in desktop version. Add the files to the Mendeley desktop library. And it's very easy to, because easy to.
Now, for example, I don't want to do this because sometimes it takes time. So just I want to, whenever I am writing, just I include the reference from other source. So I insert it directly, but as well as I follow the Mendeley system as well. So you see, Pang is in here through the Mendeley system. For example, Saiful et al. I inserted by myself manually. So whenever I highlighted this, I found that Pang will be the different color and rest of the will be the different color. So is there any system, can I make it uniform except inserting Saiful et al. Also in the Mendeley system? Without that, is there any possibility?
No, it's not possible, because you have to make a standardize of your style, write up whatever you want to show in your paper. You need to standardize them. In order to standardize your write up now, you have to follow certain rules of the Mendeley. Then only you get the uniformity.
All right. So in that case, I need to include all.
Yeah. It's very easy process, sir. Add file, one click.
So can I ask you something? Like, why can't you do it in the reference of the word itself? Like, keep the Mendeley away, keep the use the references in the word file. That would be easy. In that case, you can put it as a insert footnote kind of thing, which Mendeley will not be taking into account. If you want to add something exceptionally, you can make use of insert footnote in the word itself. Thank you.
Program is that you want to follow Mendeley or not. If you want to follow Mendeley, you need to follow some certain protocols. Or if you want to add on your own, then you can do it. Nobody says any objection on that. But only thing is, in order to standardize anything using any reference software or reference style, reference management software, so you need to follow some theoretical part as per the software mentioned about that. Because in Mendeley, you said without following the reference style, you can do on your own, right? That is your answer question, na?
Sir, resource person.
Without using Mendeley.
Sir, resource person. Actually, we'll take questions at the last part of our sessions, okay? The time is limited, so we have to finish fast, okay?
Let me complete this one. It's not yet completed. See, are you looking at my MS Word window?
Yes.
Are you looking at my MS Word window?
Yes,
See,
sir.
Pang JSR, this is the R word style I'm selected here. And please look at my style. I'm changing the style automatically, how the Mendeley will take care of. Now I'm going to the American Psychological Association or
APA.
Chicago manual style, okay? Okay. Look at my citation style. See.
That means all authors' names is here, no?
Yeah, following Chicago manual style.
Yeah.
Chicago manual style. Then if you want to change, again you want to change, somebody says that, oh, it is not a proper one, you go to the American APA style, then you can do that American style, APA style. So it's a one-click job. You can do whenever you want to. You can change your reference styles also. That is one more option.
Dr. Vittal, I have small, doubts. Can I Dr. Vittal, no, actually, to our knowledge, now there are citations or referencing system is of two parts. One is in-text citation, other one is the total references at the end. The in-text citation also, like what you have put after your Word file, in parentheses, the author first name followed by the year of publication. That is only in text, within the text of the document.
Okay.
Correct, sir. Then its complete details, the bibliography details are given at the end of the paper or the document. The full details of the document, that is bibliography details, are given there. You are calling it as a bibliography. Correct,
Right, sir.
now this in-text citation, the style of in-text citation, here you have put the author's last word followed by the year of publication in parentheses. That is one style according to APA, etc., etc. American Psych Association style manual, etc. And there are other style manuals. They really give a different method of in-text citation. Not only the referencing system. Something like somebody will give a superscript on the top of the text. Say, for example, American Institute of Physics, it says that you have to give the superscript instead of writing the name of the author or the year of publication, etc. And that number one superscript will be the number one reference here. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Then
we'll
in that
discuss.
case,
Okay, we'll discuss it.
Please. Just one second. No, just 1 second. It's only 1 second. No, we have come to a point now. Now, how to really change the in-text citation also, according to the style, we are really will changing. Is it automatically does it? References are being changed according to the style what you identified from this.
Actually, he is asking, you are showing the citation of the last part of the thesis or article, how it is changing. He is asking, is it possible to change in-text citations also?
Exactly, you're right. That's the question.
Okay.
That's the question.
Yes, it's possible. It's possible. Okay.
How we have to get it done?
Same way. Same. When you select the style, automatically it will be changed.
Take
Okay.
care of that.
Okay. Are you clear?
Both parts.
Yeah, both parts. Whole text will be changed. Okay.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Now we start with.
Unfortunately, I was practicing only one citation. I should have downloaded the 100 citations. Then I would have explained more better way to answer your concern, sir. It is possible. Mendeley will take care of everything according to the reference styles.
Now we are clear, sir. Now please keep going.
So this is the last practice. We have completed almost all things, inserting the citation, most important part. Now creating group is very easy. So you can. I'm not going on to this because creating group is everybody well versed with Facebook and other WhatsApp groups. So I'm not going into that. So I'm confined to only this. This was the last exercise, inserting citation bibliography, and I want to take some questions also.
Sir, I want to ask you a question first.
Please, let me finish first. Let me finish first, then you ask. Okay, Mr. Saiful Bhuiya?
Yeah, you can go ahead with the questions, sir. I'm ready. I finished my practical part. Are you listening, sir? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. So please go to next exercise. Okay.
No, exercise is finished now.
So now your session is over. So now we can go for the question and answer session.
I'm requesting everyone this is the practice mode only. You do more practice, you will be more comfortable with the Mendeley. So I request you people initially first 2 days spend some time on the Mendeley so that you will be well versed with the theoretical practical part. Still you have a questions, you have my email ID also. You can just mail me whatever the questions or issues come with you. I am ready to answer through email address. So this ends my practical session. Most of the sessions have covered.
My query is when I am signing in, I am sharing my screen now, so it would be very easy for him. Just a second, please. Okay. Okay, I hope you are seeing my profile here. I am seeing a badge. Do you know what this means, please? Am I clear? I am seeing a badge here. So I don't know why it is here.
AIDS symbol. Health, HIV AIDS.
Yeah.
HIV AIDS.
This is best, but given why?
I am just asking if anyone knows that why this page is here. I didn't find any information about this. That was my just query.
The research person, you are here.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Research Person. Vital.
I'm asking you one question, sir. Sir, when I open the Mendeley web browser, same page is coming. Why I don't know. Same
okay,
page
no
is
problem.
coming, sir. Nothing is there. Mendeley desktop is okay, but when I open the Mendeley web browser, web page, same page is coming. Nothing is there.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Sir, is there any question from Mubashir Hassan?
Yes, actually, he is asking why this logo is showing beside his picture.
Which one?
This logo. This logo is why
Actually,
this logo.
yes.
Yeah, this logo
This
is showing.
badge. Actually, why this badge is appearing in my profile? Do you know about this?
I know.
Hello. Yes.
I already shown that. Can you see this my profile?
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
want to share my. Let me. Can you see this one? Hello.
Hello. Yes. Are you sharing something? My screen is already shared. Are you seeing my screen now?
Yeah, I have seen your screen also. You just see my screen also.
Yeah, Mubashir, just stop it. Your screen.
Mubashir bhai, please share. Stop sharing your screen.
Okay. Okay, I'm seeing your profile here.
Okay, satisfied?
Actually, Vital, it's not showing any pairs. Okay, we'll discuss it later. Mubashir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, leave it now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anwar sir, we can stop recording.
Yes, I'm stopping recording.